Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Malakwa, a small community tucked between the Monashi Mountains and the Shuswap. This place is wide open, with long stretches of forest and farmland surrounding the homes and businesses. Malakwa has been around since the early days of the railway, and its history is tied to the people who settled here to work the land and build the tracks. The name Malakwa comes from a Sekwepem word meaning mosquito, which locals say was a fitting choice back in the early days. You can still see hints of that past in the old buildings and the simple layout of the town. Whether you're passing through or spending some time exploring, Malakwa gives you a peaceful break from the rush of everyday life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Malakwa, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!